What's up again, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel where T-Bad stands for tasty, beautiful, and amazing dishes. My name's Fabian, and I just want to tell you our channel is pretty much all about budget-friendly dishes, dessert tutorials, and cute puppy videos of my dog Nala. I just want to tell you we have a great one for today. We have a pumpkin bun cake. That's right, a pumpkin bun cake. This is my boyfriend's family recipe. It's from his grandma, and he made this for me for my birthday, and I was like, you know what, let's make a dessert. So it was a great one, and he helped me do it. I've never done it before, especially make a glaze or an icing, so I think it came out pretty good. You know, it's about to be fall time, and pumpkins are all in, so this was definitely a great seasonal dish. And this only cost $4. That's right, $4. And I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into my video. Thank you to all my new subscribers for all the love and support, and to the ones that are just getting into it. So if you could please click that like and the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, that way anytime I submit a video, it sends you out a link. My name's Fabian, welcome to the T-Bad channel. Let's get into our video. Alright guys, there you have it. You have a pumpkin glazed bun cake. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos. We definitely have more content on the way. Thank you for tuning in to T-Bad channel. My name's Fabian. Y'all have a good one. Bye!